My name is Alexa Carter. I'm a freshman at UNL, and I invented the chili roll. The chili roll is a combination of cinnamon roll and chili. You're taking a traditional cinnamon roll and taking kind of the concept of chili, just the meat, the peppers, and the onions, and using that as the filling in the cinnamon roll, and then topping it with cream cheese frosting. I just brought some to campus, and I've had people taste them, and they're just like, oh, yeah, that works. That's actually really good. I really like that. So the Angler Agribusiness Entrepreneurship Program, it really focuses on getting your businesses up and running before you get out of college. They give you $50 and they say, here you go, start a business. Hopefully, I will be able to get a trailer, be able to sell it at tailgates, just kind of push, it can move around, doesn't have to be in one place. Just kind of gives me a lot of variety on what I can do and where I can have it. We grew our own beef to make these, so a lot of these products are going to be coming from our family farm. And I think that that's super important because it's also not only my business, but it's also my dad's business that he has.
The way she's going, I think she can open up so many doors to, entrepreneurship and small business and local industries to thrive.
I definitely do want to see it go to a bigger scale eventually, but I do want to try it on the local level first. I want to do something that shows other people that they can do the same thing, even if it's just a little idea, because that's really where mine started. It's just great to talk about. I've told so many people, and they're like, wow, I'm so proud of you, and I'm like, thank you. I didn't expect it, so it's been so good. I couldn't have asked for a better freshman year.